Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fantasy Trends. I hope you all are doing good in this pandemic. Let's move on to one of the topic in civil engineering, that is mobilization advance. Mobilization advance means whenever the work needs to be started, a subcontractor or the contractor will make a request to the client to pay him the mobilization advance or as an advance from the work order value, some part of the work order value. That may be 5%, 10%, or whatever has been agreed and signed off on an agreement or the work order value. Let's take 5% of the work order value, and it needs to be recovered when the subcontractor submits the RA bill or the running bill, and the mobilization advance shall be recovered from the second RA bill, that is running bill. So whenever it is being recovered, when the work gets completed by 80%, at that time the 100% of the recovery of the mobilization advance need to be done. So now move on to how we should calculate how to calculate the percentage of mobilization advance recovery. That is, from every bill we need to recover some percent of the value. So what is that percentage? How to calculate it? We'll see. That means you have to recover some percentage of the value from each RA bill up till 80% of the contract value. Okay, so this is the contract value. It may be exclusive of GST or inclusive of GST. So contract value is 24 crore 9 lakhs 11,935, and 80% of this contract value will be 19 crore 27 lakhs 29,548. Now mobilization advance issued, the 5% of the work order value will be 1 crore 20 lakhs 45,597. This you can take as agreed in the work order or agreement. Okay, then the percentage of recovery, that is mobilization advance paid divided by 80% of the contract value into 100. You will get the percentage of the recovery from every bill. What percentage you have to recover? That is 6.25. For example, RA bill, we will recover from RA bill 2 onwards, right? So as an example, take this value 12 lakhs as a RA bill 1, that is previous bill. So now the subcontractor has submitted RA bill 2 of 15 lakhs. So mobilization recovery value will be on RA bill 2. That is, you have to take RA bill 1 plus RA bill 2 into percentage of recovery, that is 6.25%. You have to recover from RA bill 2 the value of 1,68,750 rupees. And for example, another example, okay, this RA bill 2 has been completed, it has been submitted, and it has been certified, finalized, it has been closed. Then he'll submit RA bill 3. So RA bill 3, so at that time this cumulative bill value will be taken as up to previous bill value. I'll make this as up to. Okay, then this is deleted, and even this is because the value will change. We have to update whatever he has submitted for arable 3. So he will be submitting 20 lakhs for arable 3. So now how to calculate the mobilization recovery? To calculate mobilization recovery, we'll take this 20 lakhs into percentage of recovery, that is 6.25%. We'll get 1,25,000. We are not taking previous plus present in this arable 3 because we have already calculated on first and second in the last bill, that is arable 2. So we'll calculate this. So we'll get the cumulative, that is 1 plus 2. To cross check, we'll cross check once. Cumulative into 6.25%. So it's correct. Whatever we have calculated, it's correct. Cumulative value is whatever up to previous plus this. So it is correct. In this way, you have to calculate the percentage of recovery, and from arable 2 onwards, you have to recover some part, whatever percentage you get on the calculation, that percentage you have to recover. Thank you so much. Hope you all understood what I have taught now. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon. Thank you.